Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove MetaAi from your WhatsApps and Instagram accounts. As you all know that Meta has released its own AI to counter ChatGPT and Google Gemini and other AI platforms. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, if you want to remove AI from your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp. Now page my screen, you can see in the search bar ask Meta AI or search, and down the bottom you can see my AI Meta conversation. First of all, you have to delete your Meta AI conversation. Just simply drag it from right to left, tap at more, but please be noted it's only deleting the chat, not to the AI. Simply tap at delete. Now go back. Now open your settings. Now scroll it up. Now tap at general. Now scroll it up. Now tap at iPhone storage. Now scroll it up until you see a option WhatsApp. Simply tap at the WhatsApp. Now as appears my screen, you can see simply tap at offload the app and delete the app and try to reinstall the older version of this app, because the new version of this app will be supported automatically AI, and still there is no option to remove or hide AI from your WhatsApps. Now like this, the process almost the same for the Instagram too. Simply open your Instagram. Tap at message option. Now page my screen, you can see AI. Simply drag it from right to left. Now tap at more and delete the conversation first. Now again go back. Now again open your settings, scroll it up, again tap at general, again tap at iPhone storage. Now this time find your Instagram app. Simply tap at Instagram and offload it and delete the app and try to install the older version of this app. Like this, you can remove AI from your Instagram and WhatsApps. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.